Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I am doing a speed clean with me and just clearing up all of our autumn and Halloween decor and giving everything a nice clean and wipe in preparation for all of the Christmas content coming to you guys very soon. But for now, I hope you enjoy this clean with me. I will be looking in some Christmas boxes today, but not doing any decorating. Like I said, that will be coming soon. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you are cleaning along with me and it motivated you to do some cleaning too. And let's get right into the video. couple of days later and I am about to put all of the Halloween and autumn decor away. I love having everything together so I can see what I did have. I'm really liking all of the things that I picked up this year. So let's get all of this away, and I may, to be honest, I think I'm gonna look in my Christmas boxes just to see what I've got. I'm not gonna start decorating yet. The videos will be coming very soon, but just not this week. I just need a little bit of a break. However, I did pick up my first Christmas Starbucks drink. It was a caramel waffle latte, which is one of their new ones. This was really, really nice. It's quite sweet, so if you don't like sweet drinks, maybe you won't like this, but I really enjoyed it, and I love the Christmas cups for this year. Okay, I just managed to get everything in that one box. I do want to keep it to one box with the autumn and Halloween decor because I have 3 Christmas ones and not much room under the stairs to fit anything else. But what I am going to keep out is these leaves for now until I change them over. Okay, here is where I store all my candles and hand washes. I'm going to get some of these Christmas candles out and hand washes, and I think I'm just going to put some of them out today just to get me in the Christmas spirit. You guys, I picked up the most gorgeous shopper from Fortnum & Mason for Christmas. It's a really nice size. They only do this pattern in the larger size. They do have a smaller shopper, and that one is all red with the gold writing on. It was £12, which I didn't think was a bad price. Okay, this is all of the Christmas decor. What I'm going to do is just have a quick look through it, and then I'm going to put it all back, but I'm going to put it in the order I'm going to decorate. So the box that will be the easiest to reach will be the hallway, because that's what I'm going to be doing first. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and keep your eyes peeled for a lot of Christmas content coming your way, and also some skincare to mix it up a bit. I hope you all had a great week and have a wonderful weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!